Okay, so in this problem, we want to rewrite this system of linear equations as a matrix equation, ax equals b, where a will be our coefficients matrix, x will be our variables, and b will be our constants vector. So what that's going to look like is something like this. So I always write out the outline of each of these things before I actually fill them in. So A is going to be a big matrix. X and B are just going to be um, like one row vectors. I'll usually start out by just putting the variables in here. You want to put them in the order that you feel most comfortable with. But if you put them in a certain order, you just want to make sure that your columns line up with whatever order you put them in here, because the order of the x, y, and z in the coefficients matrix is important if you wrote them.